In Fiwi Culture, we throw it back to 1990 when Cutty Ranks dropped his breakthrough hit, The Bomber, a song so big it was recorded for 2 different producers.
Leave me all of the friend dance when we got the bomber. We have a new where they call it the bomber. He blow up boy shit.
What was it that inspired The Bomber?
The bomber itself, those days when we invent the bomber and put that lyrics together. Before that, you used to have an artist named General Tree. You see me? And him do a song named Iron Balloon. And then I have some friend of mine out in a Rockford, Warwick Isle East. The man them come link me and I say, Cutty. So them know me always a DJ and always a DJ from sound system. They must say, Cutty, if you can't build a song and bust, then bring something come show me and say, if you can't build a song and bust, you're iron balloon. I said, no, iron balloon, hard to bust, right? And that's how the bomber come about.
Half of the corner from behind a wall, the killer will be a worker. What about the 16 and the Bushmaster?
I was feeling embarrassed at the time. You know, people are muster you or whatever. And you never like the mustering, and me just put a stop to it by creating the bomber. I record the bomber for Penthouse first. And Donovan Jermaine have it up there, sit down on it like one of them souvenir there where they put a Warp Road Museum and a feather dust type. And eventually Shocking Vibes move come right next door. And the same compound. And I go over that studio here and hear a bad rhythm with Patrick Robertson and Leash over there. And I say, you know, me like that rhythm there and Patrick Robertson. I say, you sure you can manage the rhythm there? I say, all right, give me it now. So come record the bomber over for Patrick Robertson. And Patrick Robertson never hesitate. Shocking Vibes send that a road. And that was history.
With fire by no the bad boy warrior. Some of them come from the jungle area.
And just like that, we wrap up another episode of Pree Dis Show. I'm your host, Naldo Addy, signing out from Chancery Hall. Until next time, big up on yourself. Stay safe, yeah?